Hi, I'm Fox 4 Storm Shield Chief Meteorologist Derek Beasley here with your weather update on fox4now.com. Another day of heat and humidity, scattered afternoon storms across southwest Florida, and we do not anticipate any significant changes in the weather pattern for Friday into the upcoming weekend. We are looking at a big area of high pressure in the upper portions of the atmosphere, indicated by this area of darker colors here and also the orange, indicating some dry air in the mid-level portions of the atmosphere. That high pressure area, you see how it's sprawled out here across the southern U.S. And as we go through Sunday, it looks like it'll remain in place, although by next week it's going to start backing back out to the west, and we're going to start to see a dip in the jet stream form across the eastern United States. What does that mean for us? Temperature is going to be quite toasty over the next few days, but still hot into the weekend and into next week, although perhaps not quite as hot as it's going to be over the next couple of days, and also a little better chance for some scattered storms during the afternoon as we go towards later this weekend and into next week. Storm Shield forecast shows a few of those storms popping up during the afternoon on Friday with the west coast sea breeze, and of course we're going to be watching the east coast sea breeze for some of those storms to potentially move across the state by Friday evening. And then guess what? We'll do it all over again for Saturday afternoon. Clouds and sunshine in the morning, and then scattered afternoon storms here for your Saturday afternoon. Tropics right now looking quiet for the most part, although the Hurricane Center is monitoring this area here. It's a tropical wave that is now tracking across the Yucatan Peninsula. May eventually move into the southern Bay of Campeche here by this weekend. There is a 10% chance of development over the next 5 days, and it may take a similar path that we saw with Danielle last week. But right now, it does not look like it's going to be a significant factor as far as any significant development expected here over the next 24 to 48 hours or so. Forecast for tonight, temperatures dropping into the mid-70s under a partly cloudy to mostly clear sky. And then for your Friday, cloud sunshine, low to mid-90s with scattered afternoon storms. Keep in mind with the humidity, it's going to feel like right around 100 degrees. Here's your boating forecast. Looks like your inland waters are going to be smooth throughout the day on Friday. Seas running about 2 feet or less offshore with an east wind in the morning, shifting westerly during the afternoon at about 5 knots. 7-day forecast shows scattered afternoon storms each day all the way through the upcoming weekend. Notice the temperatures trending downward, though, only about a couple of degrees, though, as that high pressure area starts pushing back out to the west, and we'll see a few more scattered storms for next week. But either way you look at it, highs in the generally at least in the low 90s with overnight low temperatures into the middle 70s. That's your forecast. I'm Fox 4 Storm Shield Chief Meteorologist Derek Beasley. Don't forget, you can always get your updated forecast online right here on fox4now.com.